Hello, Kim Townsel here. Welcome to my channel. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share the video if appropriate, and leave me a thumbs up for sure. I have a video up about what I call my miracle shower cleaner, and that is mixing vinegar with Fabuloso. You may have seen videos where they told you to mix vinegar with something like Dawn or regular dishwashing detergent, and I did try that, but I just didn't care for the way that it smelled, because the smell of the vinegar overpowers the dishwashing detergent. When I mixed it with the Fabuloso completely overpowers the vinegar when I do a half and half solution, so I was very happy with that. And someone made the suggestion on my channel to try PineSol and Vinegar. So I do love the way that PineSol smells, and it is the holiday season, so I'm going to try the PineSol and the vinegar to see if that takes care of the hard water buildup and takes care of the mold and mildew. I don't have a problem with mold and mildew normally, but I don't want to have a problem with mold and mildew, so that's why it's good to use a disinfectant to prevent those problems. So I'm going to try a little bit, because if it smells horrible, I'm not going to invest a whole lot in there, because I really do like the smell of PineSol. It makes it smell like all, Christmassy and December and all like that. I had great success mixing half vinegar and half Fabuloso together as a shower cleaner. I have a video up about that. A YouTube viewer suggested that I try PineSol with vinegar. I'm going to mix half PineSol and half vinegar in a container, and I'll relabel it because I previously used this one for Fabuloso. I'm going to try that in my shower and cleaning the bathroom and possibly the kitchen to see how it works. I like PineSol. I like the smell of it. I hate the smell of vinegar, but there's no denying that it cleans like a dream. We have extremely hard water here at my place. You can see what it does to the fixtures. If we don't put vinegar on there, just cleaning them with Windex it does not do the trick. We have to use vinegar. I've put the vinegar in first because if I put the PineSol in there first and then pour the vinegar in there, it's going to create excessive suds. It's going to create some suds when I put the PineSol in there second, but putting in there first makes more suds. I've learned that the hard way. I did not measure this, I just eyeballed it, and that was an extremely full container of vinegar, so I did spill a little bit, but I'll just use it to clean my countertop. It didn't suds up too bad when I added the PineSol, and I had previously used some of this PineSol out of this container, and I'll show you what I used it to do. So I'm going to put the sprayer on here and use this in my shower to see how it works. I'm going to test it on this. I'm going to spray a couple of sprays on there, wait for about 5 minutes, then wipe it off and see what the results might be. Might as well clean the sink while I'm doing it, right? What I had previously done with the PineSol from this container was I had an empty Fabuloso container that I left a little Fabuloso in and put it underneath my sink because it made the area under here smell a little bit better. So when I bought the PineSol, I thought, well, I'm just going to put a little PineSol in here and see if it does the same thing. The PineSol does not evaporate as quickly as the Fabuloso, maybe because it has more oils in it, I'm not sure. But it does help to make the sink area smell a little bit better. To me, it works better than the things that you buy, like the little room deodorizers and things like that. So I'll wipe it off and see what difference it made. I cleaned down in the grooves of this last week, so I don't have to dig down in there. This is an old faucet, so it's pitted. It's probably, gosh, 20 years old. So it's not going to be smooth, but it looks like it did take care of the water spots. So I'm not going to ask the product to do a miracle and repair the finish on my faucet. Well, it worked. Cleaned up easily. I've used this much of the PineSol and the vinegar, and normally after I take a shower I just spray it down, and I did so this time and rinse it out just to show you how clean it is. I normally don't rinse it out, and I didn't even clean the shower before I started using the PineSol,
it was still very clean from just using the Fabuloso and vinegar. I'm pretty pleased with these results. My only negative so far is that the PineSol smell is really, really strong. Much stronger than I remembered it from previous years of use. So maybe instead of doing it half and half as I did, maybe, I don't know, add some water to it. But the PineSol definitely covers the vinegar smell. I don't smell the vinegar at all. The PineSol is just a little overwhelming. So next time I might do like 1/4 PineSol, 1/4 water, and then half vinegar and see what that does. But as far as the cleaning, oh my goodness, it's like spotless. This is just spraying it on there and rinsing it off, and you can see that there's no water spots apparently. Well, a few, but they're not hard water spots. So pleased.
Thanks for watching my video review about the PineSol and Vinegar experiment. Remember, it's free to give me a thumbs up, it's free to leave a comment below, it's free to subscribe to my channel, it's free to share the video if appropriate. And until next time, keep things as clean and germ-free as possible, because it's a nasty, nasty world out there. We don't have to make it a nasty one on the inside. Bye.